The 11-inch 128GB second generation iPad Pro retails for $1,329. The Magic Keyboard retails for $449. The HomePod retails for $469. The digital AV multi-port adapter retails for $99. And all this adds up to $2,366. But all the products you see here I got for the total price of $995. Hopefully with this video I can help you find great deals too. If you're new here, please like, subscribe and turn notifications on as it'll really help out the channel. If you already are, welcome back. When you want to buy something, sometimes the best deals are not in the store. They are found on the resale market. But that lacks certain securities that you will get when buying from the store. So I'm going to tell you what to look out for so you can feel safe when buying Apple products secondhand. Research the product you are buying. Apple products are a pretty big investment, so it's important. Because if you bought the wrong one or you don't like it, you don't have the luxury of returning it to the store and getting a refund. So it's important to know the exact model you want to buy so you know how much it will cost and the year it was made. This will come in handy when I talk about warranty later in the video. Inspect the condition of the product to see if there's any physical damage and it's in good shape. If it does have a scratch or anything like that, ensure it doesn't affect the product's performance. Make sure the product is fully functional. See if you can use it for a little bit in and out of the interface. Test to see that the camera, speakers, trackpad or keyboard work. This is one of the main things to do. I'll be using this exact 11-inch 2020 iPad Pro as the example, as this is exactly what I did before I bought it. I asked for the serial number and went to checkcoverage.apple.com.au since I live in Australia. Then you put the serial number in here and then we'll go to the next page. When you come to the next page, you can see here the name of the product, iPad Pro 11-inch second generation Wi-Fi. And this is exactly what was advertised. So make sure this matches up with what you want to buy. Then you can see the title of valid purchase date and has a green tick. This means, as stated, it was a valid purchase from a store. This is important because by chance if something does happen to my iPad or another Apple product you're buying, and you take it to the Apple store to get it fixed, it will not be covered. It will be a lengthy process of trying to prove your purchase of the product, and since you bought it secondhand, you may not have the receipt. And if they didn't purchase it from an authorized reseller, the receipt may not be valid. Then you come to the next tile, it says telephone technical support. This is not as important because when you buy a new Apple product, you get 90 days free telephone support. So if it says expired, it just means your product is older than 90 days, which my iPad is. And the next title, repairs and service coverage. This shows you if the product you're buying is still under Apple warranty or Apple Care. And you can see my iPad is still under Apple warranty. Apple warranty is an addition to consumer law and it lasts 2 years from the original purchase date on the iPhone and 1 year from the original purchase date on every other Apple product. When I bought my iPad in April, it was just under 10 months old. So I just had over 2 months left of Apple warranty and that gave me comfort when I bought it. 2 months may not seem like much, but since the iPad was released in March last year, it was understandable. And it proved to be very useful. I started having some problems with the trackpad on my Magic Keyboard and I went to the Apple store. I showed the technician the problem and they looked up my serial number and saw it was still under Apple warranty and it was replaced with a brand new one free of charge. Here in Australia, consumer law is valid for 2 years from the original purchase date. So unless it's accidental damage like a cracked screen or scratches, for 2 years everything will be covered and you just have to pay a reduced service fee. This is important if you want a little more protection, but if 1 year has passed since the original purchase date, then Apple warranty would have expired, except for the iPhone that lasts for 2 years. If Apple warranty has expired, a yellow exclamation point will appear here, just like it is in telephone technical support. Another thing to look out for is to make sure the device is not under remote management. This means it was first purchased by a business so they have the ability to track and lock it and could still be their property. You can check this by going to settings, and if you don't see any remote management tab here, then you're all good. I did the exact same process with the HomePod as well. Hopefully you can use this information to help you make more informed purchases and find great deals for yourself. I also provided an example of first-hand experience of how this process helped me. Do you try and find second-hand deals, or do you like the fresh brand new feeling and unboxing experience? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.